crafters. This is Jerry with Crafty Stash. And as I try to do, these are what I've made from the embellishments that I showed in our embellishment collaboration. I'll post that down below. And so much fun. I just love using what I have. I mean, if I'm going to make an embellishment, I'm going to use the embellishment. So this is, they're all one of what I used, but I'll just show you what I did with them. These I made for cards, and send out your cards to all those in need and who need to know they're being thought of. This one I thought was cute. Now I used this particular paper pack that I used, so the colors all kind of matched, and I don't remember what it is. This was a tropical something or another. And be your beautiful self. They're being their beautiful selves. And then I made a couple of scrapbook pages, and as you know, if you're following me at all, I went from a 12 by 12 scrapbook pages, and I cut them down to either 8 by 10s or 6 by 8s, which is what this size is. I just like the size of it. I put them in page protectors, and I put them in a small album, and it's so much easier to deal with when they're small like this. Anyway, here's my husband and my little grandbaby, and today is a good day. And then make a wish. And this was like last year, Thanksgiving or so. And then here is another, and they made a card out of it. And then, hello, my darling. And that's a card as well. So there you go, how I used my embellishments, and I will do others as we do our embellishment share. So hope you're having a great day. Keep safe, keep healthy, and go craft. Bye-bye.